Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to fix Instagram connecting problems. If you're encountering difficulties connecting to Instagram on your Android device, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your phone is connected to a stable and reliable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. A strong internet connection is crucial for seamless access to Instagram. Step 2. Restart Instagram. Close the Instagram application completely and then reopen it. Sometimes restarting the app can help resolve temporary issues affecting connectivity. Step 3. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone can refresh network connections and potentially resolve underlying connectivity problems with Instagram. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Access the Settings menu on your Android phone, then navigate to the App Settings or Application Manager. Find Instagram in the list of installed apps and clear the app cache and data. Note that clearing data will log you out of Instagram, so ensure you have a backup of your chats if necessary. Step 5. Update Instagram. Ensure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your Android phone. Outdated versions may cause connectivity issues. Check the Google Play Store for updates by searching for Instagram and clicking the Update button if available. Step 6. Check storage space. Insufficient storage on your Android phone can lead to various issues, including connection problems with Instagram. Make sure you have enough available storage for Instagram to function properly by clearing unnecessary files or apps. Step 7. Enable or disable VPN. If you're using a VPN on your device, consider enabling or disabling it to see if it affects your Instagram connectivity. VPN settings can sometimes interfere with the app's ability to connect to the server. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Instagram connecting problems on your Android device. We hope this guide helps you resolve any issues you may be experiencing with connecting to Instagram. Stay tuned for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides.